Buongiorno, buongiorno. Really gorgeous position today. I'm down amongst the olive trees. And the cattle and the bells. Really amazing, quite spiritual actually, to have it in the background. So I wanted to talk again about, in these uncertain times, where do we find our center? Where do we find, that center point? And Yeats had talked about it during his time, where he described it as the falcon couldn't find the falconer. So it was like the falcon was flying around, couldn't find the arm of the falconer. It was so uncertain. The surroundings, the environment were so uncertain. The falcon couldn't come back to home, a home position. And that's what happens in uncertain times. And so that's what I was talking about in the last video, the vertical, where we find that vertical axis in ourselves, And to do that, we need to root ourselves down into the ground, the earth. It's amazing to be here with the cows in the background, to have that earth, that real earth sense. Root ourselves down in the earth. Then connect ourselves up into the cosmos, into the sacred, for whatever that means for you. For whatever that means for you. They're having a good listen. Whatever that sacred is to you, Christ, Buddha, Yahweh, Wakan Tonkan, whatever it is, the sacred, connect out to the sacred, and then come down into your heart. So you have that vertical axis, you're rooted down to the ground, you're connected up to the sacred, and in the middle of the axis, you come into your heart. And you feel that axis, you feel that center point, that in these uncertain times, it really just calms it all down, You just know in that middle point, C.S. Lewis referred to it as the divine meridian, that you could be guided by the divine meridian. It's an incredible concept. But the center point is your heart. So root down first into the ground, connect up to the sacred, and then come back down into that center. That's the practice. But it is a practice. You need to practice it every day to get that hold on, to start the day with this divine meridian, with this vertical axis, like the oak that I was talking about in the previous video, Really, the oak has that huge axis rooted down, connected up with the branches, really solid in itself. So hope you enjoyed the video today and hope you enjoyed the sound, gorgeous sound of the cows in the olive groves. Buongiorno from Italy.